So we have a division in problem 13. Okay, so we can either first change it to multiplication, or you can start by factoring the numerators and denominators. So the order doesn't matter unless you do both of them. So in this problem, I started by just copying the expression, but in writing it in the factored form. So here it is still a division, but I just started by factoring the numerators and denominators. So first numerator factors out to be x plus 1 times x plus 4. The denominator will stay as 2x. And the second second rational expression, the numerator will factor out as x minus 3 times x plus 4. And the second denominator we have a greatest common factor of x, and it factors as x times x minus 3. Okay, so now we just rewritten the division in the factored form. The expressions are in the factored form. We will change this division to a multiplication. Therefore, we will flip the second expression. So we keep the first expression the same, change the division to a multiplication, and flip the second rational expression. And now let's just do this multiplication. So we see that x minus 3 in the top and in the numerator and denominator cancelled out here. You could have cancelled them in the first step. There would be no problem. I mean, you could have done this in the first step because it is inside the same expression. But just let's leave it. We'd rather leave all the cancellations when after we change the operation to a multiplication. So we cancel the common terms x minus 3, and we have x plus 4 in the first numerator, and in the second denominator we cancel them out. So in fact we are left with x times x plus, this x also cancels with this x. Therefore we are left with x plus 1 in the numerator, and there is just the number 2 in the denominator. So this is the final result.